Join me as I take on the challenge to get fit fast at home using just 10 simple exercises. Can I really transform my body in just a few weeks? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about getting fit at home. I know it can be tough, especially when you're just starting out, but I'm excited to share with you 10 effective exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home, without any equipment. These exercises are perfect for anyone, regardless of your fitness level, and they'll help you get fit fast. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to stay fit at home is lack of motivation. It can be hard to get started when you're not sure where to begin, or if you're not seeing results right away. Another common challenge is not knowing how to create a workout routine that's effective and engaging. Many of us get bored with the same old exercises and routines, and we can lose interest quickly. Additionally, some people may not have the financial resources to invest in a gym membership or personal trainer, which can make it seem like getting fit is out of reach. And finally, some of us may simply lack the accountability and support we need to stay on track with our fitness goals. Let's talk about the 10 exercises I'll be sharing with you today. First up, we have burpees. Burpees are a great full-body exercise that target your arms, legs, and core. To do a burpee, start in a standing position, then drop down into a squat position and place your hands on the ground. From there, kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then quickly return your feet to the squat position. Stand up and jump up in the air. That's one rep. Next, we have mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a great way to get your heart rate up and target your core and legs. To do a mountain climber, start in a plank position and bring one knee up towards your chest. Then quickly switch to the other knee. Continue alternating legs as quickly as possible. We also have squats, which are a great exercise for strengthening your legs and glutes. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and slowly lower your body down into a seated position, keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to standing. Another exercise is planks, which target your core and improve your overall stability and balance. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can, engaging your core and keeping your body straight. The next exercise is push-ups, which target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. To do a push-up, start in a plank position and lower your body down until your chest almost touches the ground. Then push back up to the starting position. We also have lunges, which target your legs and glutes. To do a lunge, stand with your feet together and take a large step forward with one foot. Lower your body down into a lunge, keeping your back straight and your front knee behind your toes. Push through your front heel to return to standing alternate legs with each rep. The next exercise is jumping jacks, which are a great cardio exercise that target your entire body. To do a jumping jack, stand with your feet together and your hands by your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides and raise your arms above your head. Then quickly return to the starting position. We also have bicycle crunches, which target your core and obliques. To do a bicycle crunch, lie on your back with your hands behind your head and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest, as if pedaling a bicycle. Another exercise is tricep dips, which target your triceps and upper body. To do a tricep dip, sit on the edge of a chair or bench with your hands gripping the edge and your feet flat on the floor. Lower your body down by bending your elbows until your arms are bent at a 90-degree angle. Then straighten your arms to return to the starting position. Finally, we have Russian twists, which target your core and obliques. To do a Russian twist, sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground, then twist your torso from side to side, touching your hands to the ground each time. I've seen so many people achieve incredible results from doing these exercises consistently, and I'm confident you can too. Take a look at this montage of people who have transformed their bodies using these exercises. You can see how effective they are and how achievable it is to get fit fast at home. Whether you're a busy student, a working professional, or a stay-at-home parent, you can fit these exercises into your daily routine and start seeing results. To recap, the 10 exercises we covered today are burpees, mountain climbers, squats, planks, push-ups, lunges, jumping jacks, bicycle crunches, tricep dips, and Russia.